Alright, let's unbox something every SaaS founder needs. This is AppSumo's all-in-one user onboarding platform. First impression, the interface looks super clean and modern. I'm excited to see how it can boost SaaS growth. Let's dive in and check out the dashboard together. Everything's organized: onboarding, product tours, surveys, analytics. I love how streamlined the navigation feels right away. Let's try setting up a user onboarding flow. Just a few clicks, and I'm customizing welcome messages. The drag-and-drop builder is intuitive, no coding needed. Now let's add an interactive product tour. It guides users step by step through key features. I can preview exactly what my users will see. Next, let's check out the integrated survey tool. Creating a feedback survey takes less than a minute. You can trigger surveys after onboarding or feature use. Now let's look at the analytics dashboard. All your onboarding data is visualized in real time. I can instantly spot where users drop off. This helps me optimize onboarding and boost engagement. Let's analyze the main features one by one. First, streamlined onboarding saves tons of setup time. Second, interactive tours keep users engaged and learning. Third, built-in surveys gather actionable user feedback. Fourth, analytics give deep insights into user behavior. I appreciate that it's all in one platform. No more juggling multiple tools or integrations. It's designed for SaaS founders, PMs, and growth teams. If you care about user activation, this is a game changer. The learning curve is minimal, great for busy teams. I like how customizable each onboarding step is. You can personalize flows for different user segments. The product tour builder is my favorite feature. It makes complex features easy for users to understand. Survey templates are handy for quick feedback loops. Analytics help you iterate and improve continuously. I haven't found any major downsides so far. Maybe advanced customization could be better, but it's solid. I'd recommend this to any SaaS founder or product manager. It's perfect for growth marketers focused on user success. Ready to streamline your onboarding? Check out AppSumo now. Link in the description. Don't miss this growth opportunity.